Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another Throwback Thursday. Today we are taking a look at Universe Prowl. First of all, we got him in his car mode. He rolls just fine. You'll notice that mine has a bit of some yellowing, I guess. That's actually from, I had him on a display shelf and the bulb was a little too bright, so he got a little sunburned. So be careful with your lighting there, boys and girls. But, alright, so we got the nice little Highway Patrol police on the side there, siren up top, Autobot symbol on the hood, got some black for the windows. The windows on the side you can see through. It would be a little bit better if it hadn't gotten the burning. So, there you go, we got the windows painted on the back there. The gun clips in underneath and you can just pop that out and it folds in half, and that'll be his little rifle for later. So let's get him transformed up. First thing you want to do is unclip the headlights and then the doors from the sides. And I can never do this without popping the doors off, but they're on a ball peg and they peg in right there easily enough, so it's fine. So just move that out. The door will fold over. Get that peg back in there. There we go. Door fold over like this, and we'll just open up his legs there. These two panels here will fold up like that. And let's do the door again. Comes over. There's plenty of clearance to get it over the door. It's a little tight, but you can do it without too much of a hassle. Fold that door out of the way. And I did it without taking it off. Oh, that's a miracle. All right. So we'll unpeg the legs. Feet fold down like this. You can fold out the heel like so. Same on the other side. If I can get my fingernail in there. There we go. Like that. Alright, we'll come up to the front. Undo the arms. They'll just tuck in behind the waist right there. That keeps them out of the way in car mode. And you can adjust the door wings any way that you need. So we'll just undo that. They will slide out on the little hinge right there. Straighten them out like this. The roof unpegs in two places and comes down. And at this point you can fold that back, fold these up, or if you prefer, keep them folded back. That's entirely up to you. This part I've always thought is pretty cool. The front of the car comes up and the head is on a spring that just springs forward. I've always thought that was kind of neat. And that just sits down right like that. Then you just fold him all the way down, clean him up a bit, and he's ready to go. And you've got Prowl. So this is standard deluxe size, pretty good. Pretty good for when they were, this is kind of when they were first coming out with the Generations line, back when the 2007 movie first came out. And it's pretty decent. Like, it even holds up for today's standards. So not bad. So the shoulders are on a universal. He can come up like this. Good range there. Good down if you wanted to do that. You have 360, but the door wings do get in your way. But, you know, you can just move those. We got a 90 at the elbow. We've got an elbow swivel. We've got a wrist swivel too, so that's always nice. The head's on a swivel, looks left and right. We've got, I think the waist can go 360, but of course it's hampered by all this. Oh, and you can put the back up like that to kind of get that out of your way. So there we go, there we go. Yeah, gives you much more room that way, if you want to do that. Alright, ball pegs at the thigh. That's there. Good range back. We've got a 90, kind of a double hinge at the knee. It breaks the aesthetic a little bit, but it still works. And then a knee swivel just above the knee so he can get the jig in there. Alright. And as stated before, he comes with a rifle that he can hold just fine. So, before we get out of here, let's look at some size comparisons. Get him straightened up. Here he is with Siege Hound. And I think Hound's just a little short for that. So, the Siege line definitely has a new scale working with it, but I think the Siege Prowl would probably fit your scale a little bit better if you're just going with the Siege line, but there he is for that. Here he is with the special Generation 2 Reveal the Shield Jazz, and I think that works much better. So, that's a much better scale in my opinion. But, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on Transformers Friday.